Hello, grade 6 students. This is day 13 of STP Mathematics 1A lesson series. Yesterday, we learned how to multiply a whole number by 10, 100, or 1000. Then later, we discuss how we can multiply whole numbers by 20, 30, 40, or else 200, 300, 400, or else 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. We learned that pattern. Based on that, I gave you 5 sums to do at home. So then I asked you to do 16 to 20. Now I will show you how to do the first one. Everyone take your exercise book and the pink pen, mark your answers. 39 into 900. So I told you to do this with the steps. So then here first I expand 900 how? 9 multiplied by 100. And in the working column separately, I'll do that I write 39 times 9 like this. Okay. So then you do the multiplication. 39 when you multiply by 9, it gives you 351. Right here 9 times 9, 81. So then 351. Then I write the next step. 351 multiplied by 100, it gives me the answer 35,100. Okay. So then when you want to multiply 39,900, straight away you are not multiplying by 900. Instead, you multiply by 9. Then you add 2 zeros because you expanded 900 into 9 times 100. So then we will move to the second question. So then it is 157. 157 multiplied by 60. So then we do the same thing. 157 multiplied by 6 and multiply by 10. So then you go to your working column and you multiply 157 by 6. It gives me the answer 942. So then I rewrite this 942 multiplied by 10. So then it gives me 9,420. Okay. So 157 when you multiply by 60, it gives you 9,420. Then we'll check the next one. The next one you have 295. 295 you multiply by 80. So then here you write 295 multiplied by 8 and multiplied by 10. So then you multiply these together. So these things you want to do in your working column and show that how you got the answer. 295 when you multiply by 8, it gives me 2,360. So then I rewrite this 2,360 multiplied by 10 and my final answer 23,600. Right? So 295 when you multiply by 80, it gives you 23,600. So then we will move to the next one, the fourth one, 88 into 70. 88 multiplied by 70. So then we write 88 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 10. So then first I multiply that, go to the working column and do the multiplication here. Then 88 when you multiply by 7, it gives me 616. And here I write 616 multiplied by 10. Right, so then it gives me 6,160. Right, so always double check whether you did the answer correctly. So then before moving to the next one, 6,160. So then the question number 5, the last one I gave you, 350. 350 multiplied by 200. Okay, so then how I'm going to do this? I write this 350 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 100. So then 350 when I multiply by 2, it gives me 700. So then here I write 700 multiplied by 100. Your answer will be 70,000, right? 350 when you multiply by 200, it gives me 70,000. Now you know how to do, so then I'll show you all the sums I did here. So you can see, right. So look at this, children. So when you come across with this kind of question in the exam, you want to write the answers like this. Okay. So then we will move to the next part. So that is the long multiplication. It is a new subtopic. Everyone please take your theory books and put the date. Write down the subtopic in black color, long multiplication, right? Long multiplication, right? So I'll take the same example they have given, 84 into 26, right? 84 into 26. So this is the example they have given, 84 into 26, right? Now you just see it, I'll write this in the middle and show you the different ways that we can get 84 into 26, right? So then the one method, the popular method, what you did, that you just multiply 84 by 26. Can you remember what we did when we are multiplying? First we multiply 84 by 6. 6 times 4, 24, 2 remainder, 6 times 8, 48, 48 plus 2, 50. Okay, then 2 times 4, 8. But here, we don't write 8 here. You know these things. This is wrong. Why? The 2 is in the tens place, and something you multiply by the tens place, 2 times 4, 8, you want to start from the tens place here. 2 times 8, 16, and then we can add these together. When we add them together, if need, you can fill this place with a 0, and here 4, here 8, and here 6 plus 5, 11, and 2184. 84 when you multiply by 26, 2184. Now here, see what I'm doing. 84 you multiply by 26. So what is this? 26 means 20 plus 6. What I do, I first multiply 84 by 6. What is the answer? When you multiply 84 by 6, it gives me 504. I write that 504. Then I have 84 multiplied by 2 times 10. What I did over there, children? 20 I expanded, right? So then here, 84 I multiply by 2, what it gives me? 168. 168, and that 168 when multiplied by 10, it gives me 1680, and I add them together, right? I add them together, it gives me the same answer, 2184. With the second method, I wanted to show you, so then that this is how it works. Now, when we were doing the long multiplication, that I asked you to multiply 84 by 6 first. We did it, and we got the answer 504. And I asked you to multiply 84 by 2, even though that I said that it is 2, it is in the tens place. Therefore, 84 we multiply by 20, right? So then when you multiply by 2, 2 times 4, 8, we should write in the tens place. You want to start from the tens place, right? So I'll take another example and we'll see how it works, right? Let's say you have 43 multiplied by 58, right? So again, that the same thing. We'll do this time this side. How? So then we can write 43 multiplied by 58. 58, I can write in another way. How? 50 plus 8. Then I do what I do. 43 I multiply by 8. Right? So then 43 you multiply by 8 and get the answer 344. Then what I do? 43 multiply by 5 multiply by 10. Okay. 43 multiplied by 5, what will be the answer? It gives me 215. And that 215 multiplied by 10, it is 2150. Then what I do? I add them together. Here 4, 9, 4, 2. Right? So this is how you want to get it. 2494. Now we will follow the other method, that the popular method we know. 43 multiply, the same thing we are doing here, children. But I wanted to show you that why we are writing the next digit from the tens place onward. 8 times 3, 24, 2 remainder. 8 times 4, 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Then we want to multiply 43 by 5. 5 times 3, 15. But we'll write that 5 in the tens place. 15, 1 remainder, right? 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. And then I want to add them together. So when I'm trying to add them together, I can see here blank. Therefore, I just fill the blank with 0. So then it gives me the same thing, right? The same answer you get, right? Now we will try another example. Then let's see what happened, right? Let's see who I have to erase the whiteboard. Sorry about it. Right. So then let's say we have another number with 3 digits, let's say, what we are going to do. So let's say the same number 43, we are going to multiply by a number like this. So then here we have 43, let's say. That let's say we have 43. This time you multiply it by 563. What should I do? I go to the working column. How? 43 multiplied by 563. What should I do? First I multiply 43 by 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. Then I want to multiply 43 by 6. 6 times 3, 18. Where I should write 8, I want to write it in the tens place. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24 plus 1, 25, like this. Okay. So when you are writing, you want to be mindful to write the digits at the correct place value. So then I want to multiply 43 by 5. 5 times 3, 15. But where I should write this 15, 5 here in the 100 place, right? 1 remainder. 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So then I want to add these together, right? I want to add these together like this. Then you can see so many blanks. You fill them with zeros. Nothing happens. Okay, just fill them with 0. So then here it is 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 remainder, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 1 remainder, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, like this. Okay. So then simply 43 when you multiply by 563, 24,209. That here you can write the answer 24,209. Okay. So then this is how you do the long multiplication, right? And let's say you have something like this. 2813. The next number, 2813. 2813, we want to multiply by 402. 402. So then what should I do? I write 2813 here and I write 402 like this. So then what I do? First I multiply this number by 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. Right. So then the next 2813 we want to multiply by 0. So then whatever the digit you multiply, so then that becomes 0. Right. Then because I started writing from the tens place. So then the next one, 4 times 3, 12. I write here in the 100 place. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 4 times 8, 32. Right. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. And see how I'm doing this. Then I fill the blanks with 0, 8, 0, 3, 11. Right? 2813. When you multiply by, it gives me 1,130,000. So then here I write 1,130,826. Right? This is how you write the answers. Okay. So then we will move to using a calculator for long multiplication. You don't want to do this part because this is from UK, and in the UK they are using the calculators in the school, but here in Sri Lanka we are not using the calculators. Therefore, we don't want to cover this part. When you go to Edexcel O-level curriculum, so then you will get the instruction and the guidance from your teachers to do the sums using the calculator. Therefore, we don't want to do them. So then we will, whatever it is, you want to get them through the long multiplication, right? Then we will move to the next topic, the division. I will start the division the next day. So then what you are supposed to do today, you want to do the question numbers. This. 17, 19, 23, 27, 30. These are the 5 sums you want to do. 17, 19, 23, 27, 30. Right? These will be your homework. And you want to do word problems, right? So then you want to do word problems. Question number 1 to 4. The number 1 to 4. Okay, these are the question numbers you want to do. Okay, children, so this is day 13, and I'm planning to complete this chapter, Unit 2, before you go to school. That is my plan. I think it will be around 2nd of September or 3rd of September. Sometimes this week I'll release the videos during the weekend also on Saturday and Sunday, because somehow before 1st of September I'll try my best to complete Unit 2. So then grade 6 students, you have completed Unit 1 and Unit 2 before you go to school. So it will be a great opportunity for you to work well in the classroom with your friends. Okay, children, we'll meet again tomorrow. Till then, stay safe. Bye.